Hello, and welcome to Cabrillo National Monument. Cabrillo is one of many recognized and protected national monuments in the U.S. protected under the National Park Service. The U.S. has many national parks, such as Yellowstone, the Grand Canyon, and Yosemite. Cabrillo National Park has kindly agreed to participate in a project with High-Tech Media Arts. During this project, we learned a lot by working with the Park Service. Students ran a number of experiments on several different types of native plants, such as lemonade berry and Ceanothus. Many of these plants are drought tolerant because they have adapted to their environment, San Diego, which is a desert. This results in many of the plants seeming to be dead, when in reality they are just hibernating, similar to bears. A long time ago, San Diego was home to many fires, and with no firefighters to put them out, the fires raged on for hours or days until they burned themselves out. Many plants used this to their advantage and stayed underground, waiting for a fire to grow. San Diego is a biodiversity hotspot, meaning it has many endemic plants. You may be asking, what are endemic plants? Endemic plants are plants that only exist in one place, and if they disappear, they are lost forever. In modern San Diego, more man-made fires happen and have devastating effects on the environment. When there are too many fires, the Ceanothus doesn't have enough time to grow before being wiped out again. This has been a dilemma for park rangers at Cabrillo. Park rangers want to bring these plants back into the ecosystem of Cabrillo, but they cannot start fires. Cabrillo National Park enlisted the help of High-Tech Media Arts students to collect data on what helps Ceanothus grow. The park rangers believe that the heat or the smoke of the fire might be what makes Ceanothus germinate. We tried different treatments on the seeds that mimic this. Some of the treatments we tried were a control, hot water, stratification and hot water, liquid smoke, and stratification and liquid smoke. A control is important to an experiment to give baseline data and something to compare the other stats to. Stratification is a treatment where you keep the seeds in a temperature similar to winter. This means that the seeds are stored in a chilled refrigerator. Liquid smoke is a liquid used for barbecuing. For this treatment, we put the seeds in a cup of it. We put the seeds in lines of 5 in a box of soil. We labeled them to know which were treated with what. We recorded the number of plants that sprouted up in each row. By collecting this data, we were helping Cabrillo National Park determine what makes Ceanothus germinate. This information will help Cabrillo discover the best way to bring Ceanothus back into California's ecosystem.